It's 2026, and the IRS just went fully autonomous. If you think your small Venmo transactions or cash deposits are under the radar, you're dead wrong. A new AI-driven tracking system is now scanning every bank account in the US with a $600 threshold. Today, I'm showing you exactly how the Wealth Blueprint protects you from this digital dragnet. The old IRS relied on humans and audits. The new IRS uses Project Sentinel, an AI that analyzes your lifestyle against your reported income. Spent $5,000 on a vacation, but reported only $30,000 in income? The AI flags it instantly. It's not about if you'll get caught. It's about when the automated notice hits your inbox. Step 1. Separate everything. If you're mixing personal and business transactions, you're an easy target. Step 2. Understand Form 1099K. In 2026, the rules have tightened. Step 3. Document the gift loophole. Not every transfer is income, but if you don't label it right, the AI assumes it's taxable. The system is built to track you, but the Wealth Blueprint is built to keep you ahead. Don't wait for an audit to start caring about your privacy. Subscribe for the next update on how to move your money legally. Stay sharp